Yo, what's going on, guys? So welcome to another video. So today, let's see. I will predict the Copa America 2024. So yeah, I've already predicted the Euro. So if you haven't seen it, watch it already. So now this time we have the Copa America, another competition that many international countries are playing, mainly in North America and South America. So let's start in Group A. So in Group A, we have the reigning champions Argentina, Canada, Chile, and Peru. So this group has everything: experience, talent, young team, and they also got some surprising teams possibly here. So Argentina have possibly the greatest player of all time, Lionel Messi, in his possibly last tournament. I doubt it. Then we have a young, talented Canadian team led by Alphonso Davies, who is possibly going to Real Madrid. Then we have Chile, who have won two Copa Americas in the decade. Then we have Peru, who has made it to the World Cup in Russia 2018. So Argentina, they have been great form since winning the Copa America 2021. They also have won the Finalissima and World Cup 2022, so they don't want to disappoint anyone. Next, we have Canada, who has Jonathan David, Alphonso Davis, and they also have Osorio, Buchanan, and they also have talent. Then you have Chile, who has Claudio Bravo, but that's that's pretty much it. So that's it for Chile. And Peru, what can you say about them? I don't know any of the players, so I will stick with this Group A. I'll go with Argentina first, Canada second, Chile third, and Peru fourth. Next, we got Ecuador, Jamaica, and Mexico. Now, this is where it can get interesting. Ecuador, it made it in the 2022 World Cup. Then Jamaica, they are the surprising team in the CONCACAF region. Mexico are the giants alongside rivals United States. And then Venezuela has Joseph Martinez. Ecuador has Caicedo. Jamaica has Leon Bailey. Mexico has Herbin Lozano. Venezuela has Joseph Martinez. This group is wide open for many teams. But for me, this is like the group order. Mexico will go first. And then I think Ecuador or Jamaica will finish second. But regarding the experience of the teams, I will go with Ecuador second, Jamaica third, Venezuela last. That's my prediction for Group B. Now for Group C. Ooh, this will get interesting though. We have Bolivia, Panama, Uruguay, and the host United States. Bolivia and Panama, yeah, they can finish third and fourth, but who will finish first and second between Uruguay and the United States? Uruguay have Darwin Nunez, Fede Valverde, and yeah, they also have Ronald Araujo. It's the end of an era for Luis Suarez, Edinson Cavani. Yeah, but they have so much depth. Next, the United States, they have Christian Pulisic, and they also have Tim Weah, Tyler Adams, and they also got Weston McKennie, and they also got Miles Turner. So, I will go with a huge upset here, guys. I will go with the United States finishing first, and then Uruguay second, and then Panama third, and Bolivia fourth. So that's my prediction for Group C. And finally, in Group D, we got 5-time World Cup winners Brazil, World Cup surprising teams Colombia and Costa Rica, and Paraguay. Do you know, guys, in the World Cup qualifiers, Colombia beat Brazil, but that's Brazil have Rodrigo, Vini, and they also have Bruno Guimaraes. They also have Marquinhos. So Brazil's form hasn't been good, but possibly that can change. So possibly I'll go with Brazil first, Colombia or Costa Rica in second and third. For me, Colombia can be one of the surprising teams. of this tournament. So I think Colombia will finish second in the group. So yeah, let's go next into the quarterfinals. So Argentina and Ecuador. So Argentina and Ecuador will face off in the quarterfinals according to my prediction. So Argentina versus Ecuador. Hey, Argentina has so many experience. Sorry Ecuador, but Argentina will beat them and go to the semifinals. And then Mexico and Canada. Oof, North American battle. Mexico has a lot more experience and Canada has more youth. But Mexico are more attacking while Canada are more defensive. And offense wins games and defense wins championships. But for me, Canada can beat Mexico in some time. But for now, I'll go with Mexico. Then USA and Colombia. Ooh, I think with this United States form, they just won the Nations League in CONCACAF. I think they will win in the quarterfinals against Colombia. Now, Brazil, Uruguay. Ooh, hey, I want Brazil or Uruguay to win, but I gotta go with Brazil. So let's go with next. So Argentina and Mexico. This is the semifinals. So Argentina and Mexico played in the 2023 World Cup. Argentina won 2-0 with goals from Messi and Enzo Fernandez. I think Argentina can win, but I think 2-1. And then USA Brazil. I think Brazil can win this because they have more experience. Next, let's go to the finals. Argentina and Brazil. 2021 flashback, but I think Argentina has more experience. I'm not biased to Argentina, by the way. It's my opinion. So I think that Argentina will come first, Brazil in second, and then I'll say the United States will finish third. So that's let's save. Alright, so that is my prediction of the Copa America 2024. So that is, yeah, so look at that, yeah. So yeah, that is my prediction for the Copa America. Like and subscribe, guys. Comment, new videos, 2 new videos every week. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Peace.